One we've been using for 2 years. That's how I expect most people to remember it. But that's also why I keep doing the reminders. It's real easy. One more time. Exclamation my coins to see your coins. Exclamation slots to play the slots. Exclamation ticket to get a ticket. The only thing that changes is the number at the end. And there's no number for the first one. So exclamation my coins, exclamation slots, exclamation ticket. It's really easy. I mean, stoners can't remember things. I have faith in us.
I believe.
I believe I can fly. Okay, I'm about to roll some of this super crazy good weed up in a high hemp blunt wrap is what I'm gonna do. But first,